Hi, my name's Steve from Louvolite and welcome to this short video where I'm going to show you how to set up the Louvolite one-touch smart controller and the Louvolite 5-channel remote control for use with the lithium motor. The Louvolite range of motors can be operated in several different ways. A handheld remote control using an app on a phone or tablet via the smart controller, or on Google Assist or Amazon Echo. Alexa, blinds up. The remote control we're going to be using today is a Louvolite 5-channel remote control. To pair the blind and the remote, firstly select the correct channel you wish to install the blind on, using the left and right buttons at the bottom. Press the red button on the motor until the blind jogs up and down. Turn the remote and press the C button on the back until the motor jogs again. The blind is now paired with the remote control. If the blind is going in the wrong direction, we need to press the stop button and the L button together. This will reverse the direction. When the blind is travelling in the right direction, we need to set the limits top and bottom. Turn the remote and press the L button on the back until the blind jogs. Setting the top limit first, press up. When we get close to the final position, press the stop. You can then fine-tune by pressing up or down. When you're happy with the position of the blind, turn the remote and press the C button on the back to confirm. To do the lower limits, press the down button. When you're getting close to the closed position, press stop. Again, you can fine-tune with the up and down buttons. When you're happy with the position, press confirm. The top and lower limits are now set. You can also introduce a third position by taking the blind to the third position, pressing the stop, and by pressing the up and the L button together until the blind jogs. Now with the press of the stop button, the blind will go to that third position. The Louvolite one-touch smart controller, a device that allows you to operate all your Louvolite motorised blinds from a central location using an iOS or Android device. This is very simple to set up and I'm going to take you through it now. Firstly, you need to download the Neo Smart Blinds app from the App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you need to create an account. So click Create Account, use a valid email, a time zone. For the UK, the time zone would be GMT, a setup code, L2019, agree to the terms and conditions and register. Once the app's registered, you need to log in with your email address and password. Once logged in, it will take you to your home screen. Click on the icon in the top left corner, click on Smart Controllers, click on the plus to add a controller. Click on the Start button, plug in the Home Hub and click Next. On the back of the controller we have two buttons, a reset button and a set button. To get the blue light blinking, press and hold the set button. When the blue light is flashing, click yes. Press next. Come out of the app and into the Wi-Fi. Search for Neo Smart Blinds in your Wi-Fi settings, and we can go back into the app. When the app's connected to the controller, press next. Select your home Wi-Fi network, put in your home network password, and click next. Wait for the device to reconnect to the internet and to connect to the controller. First installation can take time, so the app can time out. Just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. When the device and the controller are reconnected to the internet, click on Done. Your controller is now connected. Once your controller and device are connected to the internet, we can now add a blind. To add a blind, click on the icon in the top left corner, click on Add a Blind, click on the appropriate remote control, and click on Next. Click on the appropriate blind and click Next. Give the blind a name and click Next. Put the blind into a room. This can be a pre-installed room on the app or an added room. Add a room. And click Next. If the correct blind is in with the correct room, click Next. Press the red button on the motor until the blind jogs. Click OK, it worked. Click Pair on the app. When the motor's jogged, click OK, it worked. Then you can either add another blind or I'm done for now. Once your blinds are set into the app, we can add schedules. Click on the appropriate room, click on Schedules, click on the plus. We can then have the blind open, a favourite position or closed. We can either go to a time or at sunrise, and if we can go 1 hour after sunrise. Alternatively, we could go to sunset and 1 hour before sunset. By tapping the days of the week, you can alter days of week it will be used and tap Save. That was a quick walk through the installation of the Louvolite Smart Controller. If you have any further questions, if you click on the icon in the top left, you have either a help section, help on setting up Google Assist, Amazon Alexa. For any further information, please contact technical support or your local rep.